The truth is that expensive items don't actually make your home look expensive. So in this video, I'll be telling you how to make your home look expensive without breaking the bank. Hey, it's nice having you back on my channel. This will be a great time to subscribe. It really doesn't take a lot of money to fool the eye to think, oh wow, this is an expensive space. So I have this client who is an art collector and she travels a lot, so she buys a lot of art pieces and furniture that look like, all those kind of furniture that look funny. So I helped design her space a couple of years ago. We used the artwork and everything she bought. We placed it where they should be and it was looking all nice. But I went there a couple of weeks ago and she had gotten more artwork, added more funny looking furniture to the same space. You can imagine how it looked. It was all cramped up, funny looking and not nice. Everything she bought was expensive, but it didn't make the space look expensive at all. So if you are a collector like her and you need to show your artworks and everything, it's wise and better to get a different room in your house and showcase and exhibit your artwork. But use it sparingly and keep it simple in your living room. You know this thing they say, simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. It is as true as anything you can imagine. So I'm doing a countdown of 10 ways you can make your home look expensive without breaking the bank, without spending too much money. This is the 10th thing on the list, but it's really important. Declutter your space, keep it clean and simple. Less is always more. Take out things you don't need, take out things you hardly ever use. Number 9, minimalism. Have you ever been to a rich person's home? Their spaces are always simple, their furniture is always sleek. Creating a minimalist space requires fewer items, but you have to be intentional about it so that it doesn't look like you're too broke to afford certain things. To create a minimalist space, you have to work with contemporary furniture, neutral colors. Make sure it's all about quality and not quantity. Next on the list, accessories. Accessories make a lot of statement. Select accessories that stand out but still fit perfectly into your space. Rich people always have mirrors everywhere. Mirrors in the living room, in the bathroom, mirrors everywhere. I have mirrors everywhere in my house. One here, one in front of me, one in my bedroom. Mirrors are everywhere. They do more than just show your reflection. It beautifies your space and just adds some glam to your space. Number 7, add a touch of gold or bronze to your space. Take a look at my earrings. I'm sure it's getting into your eyes. If I was wearing some random black or some other color, it wouldn't pop as this is. Gold ordinarily looks expensive, whether it's real or fake. Having obvious gold pieces using your space but sparingly will give off a feeling that you spent a lot of money even if you didn't. But don't overdo it. Too much gold will make your space look mediocre. A touch of gold can be on your center table, it could be your curtain rod, it could be anything in your space. Just find a way to fix it in. Number 6, use beautiful throw pillows. It's funny how simple and cheap this is. You can use throw pillows to create rhythm and repetition in your space. Any kind of pillow works, but fur pillows always look expensive. You can get it at any store near you or get a tailor to make one. You can also shop on my website, www.eunicon.com.ng. Number 5, lighting is a very important part of making your home look expensive. It could be artificial light or natural light. So someone said it's like rich people have a special kind of sunlight. They probably make special orders because their homes are always properly lit with natural light. For artificial light, good looking lamps and lamp holders are not as expensive as they look. You can also get a chandelier, a pendant light, and any light that can just make your space look beautiful. Number 4, make sure your house always smells good. When someone walks into your home and it smells vanilla, lavender, or some nice smell, it just gives this feeling that you have high taste and style. You can get block air fresheners, spray, scented candles, anything at all to make your house smell good. Number 3, flowers and plants are back into the interior space, especially in minimalist settings. Plants add some warmth and feel of nature into your space. It's always good when you're welcomed by some greenery. So add either synthetic plants or live plants into your space. There's a link below why you should add flowers into your space. Number 2, use curtains. Curtains have a way of making your house full. So if you want to make your space look expensive, use curtains instead of blinds. Blinds are good, but they make your house look too simple. Make sure your curtains are full. Have a day blind. Use an expensive tie back so that you can show off your curtain design. And the right way to hang your curtain is to make sure it kisses the floor. Nothing too long, nothing too short. If it's too long, it makes it look shabby. If it's too short, it makes it look cheap. Drum roll, and number 1 on the list is accent chairs. Accent chairs are any kind of chair that will make your space pop, something with a distinct color, style, and design that will create visual impact and curiosity in your space. While you're selecting an accent chair, don't forget the rest of your sofas are also important. So invest in good sofas. Use expensive fabric. It doesn't have to be really expensive, but it has to look good. Your sofa is a very important part of your living room. If you get this last part right, every other thing will seamlessly fall in place. And below are links to certain products. You can find that on my website. I'm pretty sure you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a thumb up, drop a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.